Find the slope of the tangent line to the graph of f of x is equal to -5/10 times x squared minus 2x when x is equal to -1. Well, we know that in order to find the slope of our tangent line, we have to find the limit of the difference quotient as h approaches 0. And our difference quotient is f of x plus h minus f of x all divided by h. So let's start by filling in our x value of -1 in for x in our formula. So we're still going to have the limit as h approaches 0, but it's going to be of f of -1 plus h minus f of -1 all divided by h. And I'm going to rewrite this negative sign so that it doesn't intersect the 1. There we go. And now we can substitute what's in parentheses in for our x values of the function. So we're still finding the limit as h approaches 0. Then we're going to have -5/10 or -1/2 times -1 plus h squared minus 2 times -1 plus h. And then we're going to subtract -5/10 or -1/2 times -1 squared minus 2 times -1 all divided by h. And now what we can do is we can expand and simplify. So that's equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of, we're still going to have -1/2 or -0.5, but it'll be +1 minus 2h plus h squared minus, or I should say +2 minus 2h. And then we have minus, well, -1 squared is 1. 1 times -1/2 is -1/2. And then we have -2 times -1, so that'll be +2. All divided by h. And then it's still going to be the limit as h approaches 0. And now let's distribute this -1/2 through. So that would end up being -5/10 plus h minus 5/10 h squared. And now what we can do, with that being simplified, we can now rewrite it and eliminate the brackets. So we're still going to have the limit as h approaches 0 of, we're going to have -5/10 plus h minus 5/10 h squared plus 2 minus 2h plus 1/2 or 5/10 minus 2 all divided by h. Notice -1/2 and +1/2, they cancel out. We're also going to have a +2 and a -2 cancel each other out. This is a negative sign there. So we now have the limit as h approaches 0 of h minus 5/10 h squared minus 2h, all divided by h. Well, h minus 2h is negative h, so I'm going to erase this and change this coefficient from negative 2 to be negative 1. And now we can divide all of our terms by h, so we will have the limit of negative 5/10 h minus 1 as h approaches 0, and if we use direct substitution now we will get 0 minus 1, which is negative 1, or answer choice A.